Pinarello officially begins its off-road cycling program with the same philosophy that has made it one of the most important names in road cycling: continuous innovation. In stark contrast to the widely held belief that nothing new could be done to a hardtail MTB frame, the new Dogma XC 9.9 is a striking example of innovation that offers a wide array of advanced solutions, most notably its rear triangle. This new revolutionary system separates the seat stays both vertically and laterally, dissipating vibrations in a more uniform way across a larger surface area, giving this frame a comfort without rival in a hardtail mountain bike, without losing any responsiveness. In an effort to increase both stability and comfort, we looked at traditional hardtail frame designs and tried to improve upon them. Traditional frames have the seat stays connected to both the seat tube and top tube at the same point, which allows for vibrations and impact to travel from the rear wheel directly to the top tube. We divided the frame into two separate triangles by moving the seat stays slightly higher than the top tube. This design eliminates the possibility of shock transfer from the rear triangle to the top tube, thus giving this frame more stability. We even looked at previously overlooked aspects of the mountain bike frame, such as the seat post clamp. The seat clamp has a revolutionary design with a new 4-bolt construction directly mounted to the seat stays. We call this X-Power. This construction allows the seat clamp to close over a larger surface area, reducing by nearly 50% the stress normally concentrated in a critical area exposed to high levels of load and force. Safer, more efficient, and more effective. Until now, MTB manufacturers have had to raise down tubes to avoid impact with forks. This is a limit, and it compromises an efficient geometry. To improve performance, the right geometry must have priority over other variables. We have developed a new design, giving the down tube an angle that offers better handling, stability, and responsiveness. We call this PinaFit XX9 geometry. To address the issue of fork impact, Pinarello has developed fork stopper technology that offers several benefits. This technology not only allows us to use the correct geometry, but also protects both the frame and components in the event of a fall or a crash. This is fork stopper. The Dogma XC 9.9 offers also solutions for cable management and transmission efficiency. Internal cable routing keeps a clean line, but also makes for a longer lasting transmission, as mud, water, and grime are kept away from your cables. An integrated front derailleur mount has also been strategically placed on the asymmetric seat tube. Great shifting performance on the front derailleur can only be obtained with the correct angles for any given component you may choose to mount. With this in mind, we have developed a system that offers two routing options on the same frame, one specifically designed for SRAM and the other designed for Shimano. The rear triangle was revisited to improve not only comfort and stability, but also braking performance. We broke with traditional rear brake placement and moved the mount from the seat stay to the chain stay, allowing us to leave the seat stays more flexible. Chain stays are more robust tubes in order to keep the frame more reactive, and moving the brake to this tube makes for a more efficient and stronger overall construction. Put a brake on a more robust area and you get better braking. Putting a brake on an asymmetrical rear triangle guarantees you more symmetrical braking. RAD system means better braking. Pinarello has spared no expense in obtaining the best materials available to construct its world-famous road frames, and continues in this fashion for the new mountain bike range. The Dogma XC 9.9 is constructed with an exclusive carbon, 60HM1K, by Torayca, with nanoalloy technology. Torayca has been our exclusive supplier for the last 3 years. The Japan-based industrial colossus supplies the most important aerospace and automobile industries and is a world leader in terms of production output, technology, and innovation in the field of special fibers. The Torayca division, dedicated to carbon fiber processing, will supply the newly developed 60HM1K fiber with nanoalloy technology. Using a highly resistant and reliable fiber such as Torayca's 60HM1K nanoalloy allows us to employ less material compared to traditional fibers. Hence, the final weight is smaller, although seemingly paradoxically, stability and safety are improved. Carbon fiber can snap in case of violent impacts, with evident safety hazards, dangerous splinters flying away and the rider eventually perhaps even crashing. Torayca has solved this problem by virtually inventing a self-repairing mechanism of the fiber that prevents microfractures from spreading and/or avoids immediate collapse with a neat rupture of the fibers. Their extraordinary Torayca nanotechnology consists of nanoparticles embedded in the carbon fiber mesh that explode upon impact, preventing the fiber from breaking. The new 60HM1K carbon with nanoalloy technology will add 23% to that advantage, making a material that is 59% more resistant than traditional fibers.